Hi guys, today we're gonna make another video of Roblox, okay? Now I found this game. Wait. This is actually the place where I actually make videos, okay? And today we're gonna play Untitled Bookshot and other games, okay? I'm gonna see in YouTube Shorts, okay? Now Untitled Bookshot. Afraid? Wait. Young play. Oh, I'll read that. Select your own custom settings. The classic game difficulty. Dealer knows the last round of every load. Dealer knows every current round. Select. After you're gonna go to hard and impossible, try custom yourself, okay? Please sign the waiter. Oh god, bro. This is actually gonna be hard. But actually, nobody has even said their name in a video except me, okay? My name is Yusuf Ashbaili. That's my name. Seriously, that's my name. Let's type in that. And my friend will call you on. It's S, bro. Bro! Oh my gosh. Backspace. Bro, literally can't even... No? I'll just call tree. Imco. Imc. Oh gosh, I think I actually need to restart this enticing man. Please sign the waiver. Waiver. What do I do? Sorry for not talking, okay? I was just focused. I thought I'm not making a video. So what do I do now? Oh. I hope that guy does not kill me, bro, because he's like almost unstoppable. I'll come back. Okay, we still have one. 2 blanks. Life on round. Hey, yo, that's my gun! Bro, take it even. Yeah! Phew. Man, phew. Don't kill me. And kill me today, man. Not kill me today. Kill me. Bro, please. I'm making a video. My test card regular. Let's make this a little more interesting. Sorry for not talking. This actually the long video. My mommy gonna be mad at me. Oh god, what did I do here, man? Bro, I'm really clicking everywhere, man. Okay, it's bro's finished right now. Okay. Let's see what bro's got. Huh? Bro, let's see what bro's got. Why I'm making a video? After I make this video, I don't care. Oh my god, I want to... Sister! Please. Why lose one life? Okay, man! Man! Wait, do that! Oh my god. My name is Bobo. What the Bobo is close. Bro. Big fat tummy. Can I show them this? My name is Bobo. Bro, ignore her. The video is recording? Yeah, bro, it's recording. Wallah. My name is Kaka. Just baby Kaka. Bro, stop. My name is Kaka. Please stop. You're gonna make the video have not as much likes and subscribers. Please stop. Please stop. Guys, I'm super sorry. Don't kill me. Okay, just don't kill me. Whatever you do, don't kill me. Dealer! I'll kill the dealer. Oh my god. I'm used to handcuffs. Very interesting. Oh my god, why did... Boy, don't even care. I saw my handcuffs. Now. I don't care. I'm gonna shoot the dealer. Of course, bro. Of course, man. I'm trying to. You see, bro? Gotcha. Bro, you so dumb, man. Bro, how do you reheal, bro? Oh god, time's gone. Bro, stop! Bro, stop, please, man. Man, stop doing this. Dealer. Kill the dealer! Yeah. Hell yeah, man. Bro, why you get so much stuff, bro? Hey, kill me. Come on. Okay, no. There you go, man. Whoa, stop! Stop. Okay, stop. Hey, stop. Don't kill me. Do not kill me. Do not kill me, bro. Off space. Please, stop killing me, bro. Don't kill me. Please, bro. I'm free. Two deals. Actually, wait. Wait first. Wait. Please, just wait. Wait, just wait. A sec. Wait a sec. Wait a second, please. Just wait, please. Hey, you! Please stop! Let me camera. Now, what's the next game? I'm just gonna leave this actually.
Play. Part 128. Like and subscribe before the timer runs out.
New time. Project. New time. Wait. I'm just gonna move this for a sec actually. Wait, still. Now it's the one. New time. Ooh, it's scary, man. Wee. Scary, bro. I played a word. Since I'm new, I have nothing, so I'm just gonna play normal. Fine match.